guys, I'm back. What I got for you guys today? Chicken Alfredo. Omeezy makes it look easy, man. Come on. I'm playing. So basically, I used some baby bella mushrooms, you know, and then I'm gonna have some shrimp in there. I didn't tell you guys that. Some bacon, you know. Bacon makes everything better, but turkey bacon, because me Muslim, man. Me don't eat no pork. Okay? And then, y'all eat cheeses, man. Y'all eat cheeses. And if you guys watched my last few videos, you will know that I mess with cheese a lot. So I like it, yeah. Italian cheese. Mix that in your sauce. You got your extra sharp cheddar. Mix that too for the taste. Parmesan for the end. Yeah, basically got everything, guys. I need you to be a perfect camera girl. You dig?
I don't want to though, like.
So, you're still kissing your teeth at me?
Yes.
Who do you think you are?
A person?
You little kid, huh?
You did the same thing to me.
Hey, see, back in the day, when young African boys, a young African gal would at their parents, at their older siblings, boy, you'll get sent back to the moon.
That's Africa. This is America.
That's not Africa, actually. It's in America.
In America?
It's in Europe.
Really?
It's in Asia. If you is African, you gotta know the African tradition. You get me?
I'm African American. So,
You guys hear that? The young ting is African American.
I am. I was born here.
That was true, but your traditions, your parents, and your family is from Africa. You get me?
Right? And I was born and learned the culture of
Was I not born here?
Yeah.
Was I not born here? Okay then. But me, I still African, 100% African. Me, I take pride in that. You get me? I'm trying to
You're
imitate.
Not Jamaican.
Shut up, man. Shh.
You're not Jamaican.
Shh.
You wish you was Jamaican.
So, apparently Sona Jamila back there doesn't like my glasses being on me. She thinks it's better if I have it up like this, so.
It's not that bad.
Nah, so basically all we have over here is your mushrooms, and I slice these, then you got your onions, I dice these, and then you got your garlic, I dice that. What you got over here, you got your shrimp, I seasoned it with some lemon, some pepper, some onion powder, and some garlic. And your chicken over here, I seasoned it with the same, but that's actually going to go in the oven instead of in the grill. And then, yeah, we can do vice versa. It's up to you, really. You can fry it, you can put it in the oven, or you can put it in the grill. Totally up to you. Guys, just add a little bit of flavor to this. All I'm doing is adding a little seasoned salt, and I'll add some pepper to it. And that is it. Some people like to add sugar to it. Not me, though. It's kind of weird, man.
They want it sweet.
Bruh, you do not put sugar.
Sweet and savory.
No bacon, man.
Some people like it. It might be good. Have you ever tried it?
You seem like the type of person to like pineapple on pizza and that.
That's nasty.
That's nasty, whoa. Sugar on bacon is nasty.
Okay, some food with the like sweet and savory is good, okay? Just others, it don't go together. You haven't tried it though.
Okay.
Sugar and bacon.
Cut. What's up, guys? Omeezy's back in the kitchen, still cooking lasagna. I'm in the kitchen step right now. Yeah, chicken. But yeah, basically what I put in this is some lemon juice, some pepper, some salt, some Maggi, and some Montreal chicken. And why is that still facing at the chicken? You can stop it.
See like how it works.
Jeez, big man ting, get me, Alfredo. Jeez, back in Omeezy's kitchen. Come over here, Summer. So guys, we got chicken over here. It's all getting juiced up. What I'm gonna do is, take all of this off. I'm gonna put the shrimp in there, get the shrimp cooking a little bit, and then after that, you guys will see the next step. Jeez, Omeezy makes it look easy. Yeah? What you telling me, dog? What you telling me? I'm just playing. So, I got your shrimp in here. Nice thing, yeah? And your chicken's in here. Yeah. Everything's almost done. All I gotta do, is take the shrimp out of here. You heard me. Put it in a bowl, and then, put the vegetable here, and then make the sauce. So guys, you got your shrimps ready, you got your chickens ready. All that's left right now is the vegetables to go in here. So guys, this is pretty much the second to last phase of this Alfredo, and all that's going on right now is just sauteing the vegetables. All that's in there is like the garlic, the mushroom, and the onions, and that's it. Guys, our foundation is fini. C'est fini les amis. Et puis ici on a le fromage italien. On va le mettre ici là. Puis après on va prendre du lait aussi. Le lait on va aussi le mettre là. Puis après on va le mélanger et puis on aura un bon chicken Alfredo. Guys, so add some milk to it. Just a little bit, not too much. That will be enough.
Look at that cheese though. Just a tower, just a big old tower of cheese. Cheese, that's awesome. Let it simmer. Woo, best pasta you ever seen. God. You said what? You said what? I seen that. No, you ain't. Stop lying.
Omeezy's back in the kitchen, guys.
What is that?
That's my happy dance. That's like the Omeezy's kitchen dance.
Okay. You know what? You do.
See, now you make me feel awkward. Like, that was like just so weird.
Cause you just look like a geezer.
Hold up! This gal right here from America, North Carolina, just used the term geezer.
Yeah.
Guys, is this real life?
You're not so.
Geezer,
Yeah.
She said geezer.
Geezer, yeah.
Bruv, when have these American people started saying geezer?
Me.
You ain't no British. But
You used
yeah,
to live in
guys,
England?
stop interrupting me while I'm trying to do a video. So guys, add the cheese on there, just for it to milk up a little bit. Guys, if you have realized, in my videos, I will do a lot of nonsense talking, man. Do not pay attention to that nonsense talking. Just vibe with it. You got something to say?
No, I don't.
Niece?
No, I don't.
Thank you. You can stop the video now. Back at it, guys. I know you missed me. It's only been a second, but y'all still missed me. I know it. Sana's shaking her head. Apparently she doesn't agree. But, whew, saucing up. All I'm gonna do is actually just let it simmer on low for like 10 minutes. Then I add the pasta to it and it'll be done. Guys, so we are actually finally done. Chicken Alfredo's done. Bacon's done. Guys, we've done a good job. So guys, we are finally done. I actually can't try the food because man's fasting, but Sohna over here will try it out. And she will let you know what she thinks about it. She's currently smiling at me, looking at me, so I'm kind of scared because this is actually going to go on live.
It's exceptional.
Is it really?
I'm kidding. It's good. I liked it, but.
Wait, so first you said that it was really, really good, and then second you're like, oh, I'm kidding, it's actually just good. Which of the two is it?
That's for me to know and you to find out.
Jeez. So guys, it's finally the end of Omeezy's Kitchen episode 3. Chicken Alfredo. You know what? I've been told I actually sound like Dora by the girl that's taking the video, and I actually don't believe that.
Cause you're talking to the audience, like, that's how Dora does it.
That's what I'm supposed to do.
I know, but like that long pause, like, can you help me find the crayon type stuff? And then she'll look at the audience.
Okay, so guys, yeah, back to Omeezy's kitchen, guys. I will be posting every single week with weekly updates, with requests that you have, and anything else. Yeah.